The next step to understanding clip groups is to attempt to design something with clip groups. So, up to now, I've been providing some layers that have pre built groups, pre built shapes. And from here, it's really just a matter of create your own, right? So, practice by drawing something and keeping that management of the stacking order of clip groups, labeling things, structuring things, putting things in the right stacking order, kind of forefront, and you'll be doing really well with this. So, I have here a couple of reference images. A good way to go about this is here's a blank artboard. Look at one or the other of these and try to reconstruct what you see. And think about what clip groups would have needed to be in place, what shapes they would need to be, clip group for this leg, clip group for this leg, clip group for the body, separate one for the head, and, other elements that may or may not be clipped. But everything that you can put into a clip group, put into a clip group, and then go in and add base colors and add some shapes, right? So that's the idea. You could do a similar sort of analysis of the banana. What clip groups need to be separated from others, and then how would you go about adding, in this case, a value range into those different shapes? So, analyze. Now, you would not have to use these, but I think as a first step, looking at something like this and trying to recreate it is a good way to understand how the construction works and sort of build it from the ground up without also having to think of subject matter and things like that. But you would certainly be more than welcome to do this exercise by designing a similar character or drawing some kind of object that is not these two, that's something else that you're interested in doing. But whatever it is, analyze what you're looking at and then determine which clip groups need to exist and how many of them. And usually more is better than less. And then start drawing those shapes, create base shapes for the clipping path, put down base colors, and then start to go in and add detail, texture, value, um, fill things with gradients, fill things with patterns, test out opacity changes and blending modes within groups. And then sometimes you're going to have things that are just not in clipped groups. So, for example, these legs back here that are darker, they don't really need to be in a clip group. They're just an object in the layer stack that's behind other objects. And the other objects might be clip group shapes, right? But sometimes the horn, for another example, that does not need to be in a clip group. But many other things in here would benefit from being in a clip group for those details. And then, yeah, try to organize things, label things, and, keep it, create that structure and manage that structure. And once you're able to do this type of drawing, then you're good to go when it comes to using and understanding clipping masks. So good luck and looking forward to seeing what people come up with.